or else, if you don't want to lock down there, me and God, come here free each and every prisoner around it tonight. I'm going to shake down this machine that's...
Watching that? Why am I resist? Why am I resist? Brother.
Murated. So them hold him. The big bad man was say him not afraid of no police, no soldier. Nobody can lock him up. Them really hold him and lock him up. John Star. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the Big Bad channel. You don't know Jamaican Drama TV, #1 channel in the world, as you may say. Anyways, people, this brother I'm featuring in my previous video where they disrespect some police over Elisha. The officers then hold him today, lock him up and charge him for several offenses. As you may say, we have the whole video for show still at the arrest. So after the intro, I'm gonna get to see it. You see me?
Watching that? Why am I resist? Why am I resist? Brother. Talk to me. Just talk to me. Talk. Baba, give them Sir! Get up. Sir! Get up all tight. Sir, get up all tight. Yeah.
Just give them your hand.
Sir, ease up.
When you.
I can't believe it. Really?
Okay. This cannot be professional.
Alright, people. So them lock up the gargans in. But you know, so one time I watched the first video, I did a bunny mouth still. But now that I watch this video, I kind of change my whole mindset about this man. Me personally think him have some mental issues. You get me? I think him need some sort of psychiatric evaluation or something. Because no man of the right mind not really behave them sort of way. Even when time he's being arrested. You see me, I say people, but this is my view, you know. I don't know him personally, maybe somebody out there know him personally, and them can shed some more light on this person. You see me, I say. So, this is for the video, people. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you share the video, yeah. Now keep it on yourself. As I say, share it out there. Big up on yourself. One love every time.